Hi, my name is and welcome to my show. Talk about butterflies. Look at so beautiful looks. I'm going to show you how to do life cycle butterfly. Butterfly gives eggs, happens a caterpillar, pupa, and the butterfly. The hungry caterpillar. Right after moon, there was the egg. Of the egg, a caterpillar comes. The sun came. He ate one apple. He ate 2 pears. He ate 3 plums. He ate 4 strawberries. And he ate 5 oranges. Still very hungry. He ate a chocolate cake, ice cream, cheese, pickle, lollipop, cupcake, and watermelon. Stomach ate, and he was a big leaf. And he got so fat, and then he was in a cocoon, and then he had a butterfly. Fly, fly, butterfly. Going to make a caterpillar. Glue a face, scissors, and plate. Cut the plate and put the face with the glue. Two beautiful caterpillars. I'm going to make a butterfly. Paper plate, some papers cut it, eyes and glittery, glue and scissors. After make a blue shape in the paper plate, you start to cut. After I put the glue, I will stick all the parts. This white paper cut and put on the middle. Use not the shines. Now I'm going to put the eyes. Now I'm going to put the stripes. Beautiful butterflies are made. Flap, flap, butterfly. Thank you for watching. Bye.